Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin at the call box itself. Approach, confirm the blue light or marked post, and clear any dirt off the speaker and button so sound travels. Press the primary call button once and listen for the confirmation tone or flashing LED. Once you hear the tone, keep calm and prepare to speak. This initial step creates the connection and tells the system you are initiating a call versus pressing accidentally. Make sure to stand close and face the microphone for clear audio. Once connected, tell the operator your exact location, street name, nearest marker, or landmark. This speeds response. Describe the emergency type clearly and how many people are affected, because concise details determine dispatcher priorities. Answer the operator's questions directly and pause briefly after each response so they can log information. That prevents overlap. If asked to perform basic instructions, follow them step by step. Keep your voice steady and enunciate. Background noise can mask critical words and slow help. To finish, listen for the operator to confirm help is en route and note any estimated arrival time they give so you can stay prepared. If the connection cuts out, press the primary button again or use a clearly labeled secondary button. Sometimes a second press reestablishes the link. If repeated attempts fail, move to a safe, visible location near the road and flag down passing vehicles or use your phone if available. A key troubleshooting tip: shield the microphone with your hand to reduce wind noise when speaking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.